Very simple thing. What that means that based on the constitution of the party that prescribe for zoning arrangement and rotation of the party offices from the southern part of Nigeria to the northern part of Nigeria. That's exactly what we did. As a member of the zoning committee, which was mostly agreed today, that all those, you have two baskets. What it means is that all those portfolios or offices in the north, as it stands today, should swap to the south, which includes the deputy chairman and other positions, the secretary of the party and others. While the chairman of the presidential chairman of the party, which is now in the south currently, and other positions in the south should move to the north. Simple.
Does that also include the presidency and the office of the vice president?
Well, as a member of the committee, that does not fall within our scope or types of reference given to us by the National Executive Council of the party. No. So it's the one thing first. When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Okay, I'm going to cite a section of your constitution, the PDP Constitution 2017 as amended. Section 7, subsection 3 talks about equity and fairness.
That's correct.
In terms of zoning.
Yes.
So in this regard, when the officers, the elective officers moves to the north, what becomes of the south?
No, what it means is
in terms of fairness, sir.
No. In terms of fairness and equity, what the equity says, in terms of rotation and zoning, those positions from the north, in terms of party offices, because the issue of the presidency, vice president, and other legislative positions are silent. We are silent on that because it's not within the scope of our committee, as zoning committee. There'll be a time and that committee will take that of the issue of presidency and vice presidency. For now, what we have done today, and I believe that is a question where our question is coming from the resolution of the committee, which the communique was read out to the press, it simply means that whatever that is in the south as we speak today moves to the north, and what is in the north moves to the south.
That's, for the ordinary man listening to you right now, they are inquisitive to understand what the PDP means by being silent on the issue of presidency and also that of the vice president. I mean, the National Convention of the People's Democratic Party is in less than 30 days from now.
I'm
will
speaking.
there be another committee that would be settled to decide on where the presidency?
Of course, when we go to the after the convention, because the presidency convention comes before the presidency, before the primary of the party. Then it's after the convention, we know where every position is situated. Then the party will stay meeting. They'll have the National Executive Committee of the party. We have the NWC that would have emerged, and then we'll be able to know where the presidency and other positions will be zoned to.
Would that be after the convention or during the convention?
Well, after convention first, we have to get National Working Committee and be able to get a national chairman first before we talk about where other positions will be zoned to.
Why I'm asking this because in 2018, during the National Convention in 2018,
yes,
it became so clear that President Atiku Abubakar would be the presidential candidate of the party.
That one is a different convention. We have the national chairman, which we did here in Abuja. The convention, which was supposed to be the primary that thrown up Abubakar Atiku, was done in Port Harcourt. But then remember, then Secondus had become the national chairman of the party. So we must get the National Working Committee first before we talk about the presidency.
Yeah, Secondus became the national chairman in 2014, if I'm not mistaken.
Then he was already a chairman of the party. Remember, he was acting chairman after Ali Sharif left. But before then, there was no time again for another convention. So this time around, because the National Working Committee, the National Committee Council have agreed that the convention should come before the December, because whoever that emerges today as national chairman of the party will only take over from December, when the current tenure of the National Working Committee will elapse.
Are you implying that there would be another national convention
There will
to
be
elect the president.
the National Executive Council of the party, which is the highest organ of the party, will decide on that.
The NEC?
Yes, and so to know where the arrangement for the presidency will go. Because right now, our job, which I will not go outside the committee terms of reference, I cannot decide that.
But what we understand that the NEC is the highest regulatory organ.
Yeah, because remember that what we have done today, we moved to the NWC to NEC for ratification. We have just done our job today. It does not end here. It is moved to the NWC to NEC, where they will now ratify it before the convention.
I'll take you again to Section 14, subsection 3 of the 1999 Constitution as amended.
Yes.
Where it talks about the federal character.
Yes.
And also need for fairness and equity.
That's correct.
Which is something that the PDP
what people say is normally is a common sense. Oh, that probably the chairman is on to the north, automatically the presidency come to the south. That's what they're trying to imply based on the constitution as quoted. But like I said, that would not come from me. Maybe there will be another section for that.
Another
with
section
you.
For that.
With you.
Okay, with me.
Yes.
But how about Nigerians? Nigerians need to know.
For today, what Nigerians are what they're looking at is where the party is ordinarily is the common sense to them that wherever the chairman comes from, the presidency goes to the other side. That's the common sense. But right now, as I speak, I said I'm only confining myself based on your question to what has happened today.
Will the PDP amend its constitution?
Of course, we have a committee on constitutional amendments, which is part of the National Convention committees. So that will take care of whatever you're asking now.
No, what I'm asking this is because you're a major stakeholder of the
That's correct.
Party, and under the People's Democratic Party, you ran an election for high offices of which you got. And today you are a member of the National Zoning Committee.
That's correct.
And that is why I would want to hear from you, because Nigerians are also curious to know if there are intentions to, rejig the constitution in such a way that it will suit the outcome of today's meeting.
Let me say this: that would be wrong of me to jump guns. That's a constitutional amendment committee of the party based on the National Convention going on now. They have not come up with anything, so I will not be able to prime them.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.